What's up, y'all? It is April 8th, opening season in North Carolina turkey. I am super pumped. Oh, well, there went my light. Let me get that back on. Anyways, started this year out in Mississippi doing some out of state stuff. Won the lottery there to turkey hunt and ended up not hearing a single gobble. Timing just didn't work out really. It was still cold, it was early season, and a ton of pressure. So, anyways, I have been turkey hunting this year, so the itch has been kind of fixed. But for those 2 weeks in between our season and theirs, I have just been dying to get out. So I'm pumped. I'm up at the farm today, and hopefully we're gonna get one down, or at least see one. It's rainy, it's cold. They're not gonna be talking much if I'm a betting man, but I'm gonna throw some decoys out. And historically, they've been on this ridge a lot before, and it's all we can do. Beautiful day, at least to get out, and another opening day. You only get so many, so I'm gonna shut up and get out of here and hopefully kill a turkey today. We'll see. I'm hoping to have some turkey nuggets for dinner. So, all right, see y'all later. All right, well, I got set up. Got my decoys out in front of me. Have yet to hear a gobble, but it's still getting right. So hopefully it'll happen here soon. We'll just have to wait now. Well, that's my predicament right now, per usual. Up in this major strut zone, just letting it fly. And I am a good half-mile away. That's all right. We're gonna formulate a game plan if they just stay over there, but we'll just have to see. They are truly cutting the distance on this dreary day. Well, they've worked their way into that valley, and I think they're coming, so I'm gonna get ready here. gets any better than turkey hunting, you can let me know. Because I ain't gonna believe you. Man, that is just so fun. Next thing you know, you got just two hammering coming straight to you, and then, I mean, the rest was history. When they started walking up that road, they started drumming. Oh my gosh, I hope you can hear it. I hope I got it all on video, but I don't really truthfully care. God is good, man. That's so fun. That's so fun. I mean, he tore up my decoy too. I've never had that happen before. Of course, I ain't gonna lie to you, I've been a little antsy on the gun before too now. But I've never let him stay, and I just kept waiting until he gave me a good shot. I just kept waiting and waiting and waiting. And finally, there at the end, when he put his head down to feed, he lifted it right back up, and there was just enough room that I felt like, okay, I'm not gonna mess anything up. I'm not gonna hurt the other turkey or hit the tom. Let's go, man. That is just so sick. It is so sick. My big 4K, because it's so cold this morning, died on me. So I had to go phone, gun cam, and GoPro. Old school, baby. It's a blessing, man. It is a blessing to be out here and it's just to see and hear and be with all these things, man. Take it for granted. All right, I'm gonna put my hands on them.